Hey, what's up, Dividend Nomads? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to give you guys a quick monthly recap for the small portfolio, the one where we're growing a portfolio from scratch. And actually, the goal of this portfolio is to eventually generate $1,000 per month in passive income. So, I'm going to record the screen on the phone, show the portfolio to you really quick. Something happened there. I'm also going to dive into the spreadsheet and show you how it's performing so far, as well as how much we got paid and how much we made from options premium and my plans going forward with this portfolio. So let's dive right on in and record the screen. 3, 2, 1, bam. Okay, open up Webull. This is in Webull. I'll refresh it for you guys. So you can see the value right now is $3,624. And you can see the cash is $1,510 in cash. Now, if we go here and look, Misty is the position that pays us our passive income. So if you look here, if it loads, Misty was $21.55 at the close, and we have 100 shares at $22.68. So this is negative right now on the market return, $113. I'm not sure about the total return, but we'll see in a minute because it's in my spreadsheet. So we'll see the actual real performance inside the spreadsheet. Now, the next thing is I sold a put option on Rigetti. I sold several put options this month actually. And you see this one expired, and this is a 1250 put. But if you look here, let me go back here. See this 1250 put, see this is negative. So what happens is, I got paid $19 for this put option, and this one closed at like $12.20. So since this closed below 1250 on Monday, when the market opens, this position will disappear and I will have 100 shares of Rigetti. And so that's about $1,200. So you're gonna see this cash balance change, and I'm gonna own Rigetti. And it was going up towards the end of the day and in the night market. So if that's the case, if Monday when the market opens up, I can sell a covered call on Rigetti for $12.50, or I can sell it for $13, get options premium, and also sell the stock for profit if I sell it above $12.50. So we'll be doing that on Monday, opening up a covered call in Rigetti. That's the plan there. So actually, when you see this video, it'll probably be about the time that I'm about to start my trading day on Monday. So right now, I'm filming this at 7 o'clock 7 o'clock in the evening here in China, and this is on Sunday. So anyway, let's close that, and then we're going to look at the spreadsheet, see how it's performing, and also I'll share with you all the money I received as well as the options trades I did. So let me record the screen here for you guys really quickly. Let me see. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right. So here we are in my spreadsheet where I track the small portfolio. And if we go to the positions, which is now much to see, there's only one position. And as you can see, it's Misty, the 100 shares, and my cost, like I just showed you in the actual portfolio, is the same, $22.68, and right now it's $21.55. So that everything matches what was in my portfolio. Of course, I'm always transparent with you guys, and no funny business going on. If we look here, we have all this stuff. I'm not going to go over all this stuff. The daily change, 52-week high low, blah blah blah. Let's just look at the returns. So right now, for our small portfolio, you can see the total return is $475 and 20%, or well, almost 21%, 20.95%. So this portfolio is up 21%. And if we go, you can see the market returns minus 5%. But if Misty has another run, it'll go positive again. So anyway, yeah, our total return down here, it says 22.38. The reason why this is higher is because the options that I sold and collected premium on, those options that I sold also factored into this total percent here, total return percentage here. And you see the 769. You see this is only 475. The reason why this is more is because options premiums that I made and things like that, which we're going to get into that in just a minute. So if we go to there's no diversification, as you see, I have one holding. If we go to the dividend log, this is how long I've had Misty in this portfolio. As you can see, we opened this position in September and we got paid $1.85. October 12, November 13, December 9, and then in January we got $31, February 60, March 75, April 145, and then May 237. So far this year, which you see right here on the left, we've made $551 out of Misty. But you've seen only 400 and something was profit. The rest was negative on the market return. So we made 400 something market return. But in total, we made 551. If we go look over here at the sold positions, these are monies that I made from options, premiums, and things like that. So 470, 230. This is options premium plus the sale of a stock. I sold YBTC, that's what it was. I sold YBTC. So I had options premium plus a stock sale. So that's why you have more money here. And then this month, I got $52 in options premium from selling cash secured puts. So that $52 plus the 2 something, in total, we made $289 this month out of this small portfolio. And so far for the year, for what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, we made $838. So not bad, I guess, but we're not quite there. Of course, like I said, we want to make $1,000 per month, and we're only at $289. So we're going to have to up our game a bit here. So what's the plan moving forward? Well, as I mentioned, hold on a minute. Let me show you this real quick too. Then we'll go ahead to the plan. Right here, this is my options little tracker thing here. So as you can see here, hopefully you can see it all. I put all the information here, the cash secured puts or covered call, what I did, if I got assigned or not, and the prices, et cetera, the delta, all that stuff, information's here. If I make it bigger, I'll go over here to the side here. I put here which account I sold it in. So my regular brokerage or Webull or IRA account, for those who keep track of all of them. And then, so I put it here so I know which account got paid in. But you see here in April, I just did it twice or 3 times. I made $32. In May, I sold all of these puts in May. And I made a total of $182. So these are just like small ones. You can see the ticker symbols here, Wolf and Soundhound, Rigetti, Coney, QBTS. So they weren't like big names that are gonna pay a really high premium, because I didn't have a lot of cash. It's a small portfolio. We're trying to grow it with a small amount of money. And this one, that's why I did this kind of things. But some of these others, I had just like a little bit of cash on hand, but not much cash on hand. So I put that cash to work by selling puts with what little bit of cash I had. That's why you have some of these in IRA and the other account too. But yeah, for the month of May, you can see there, May, $182. So yeah, that's our put options we sold. Now, like I said, as far as the plan goes for this portfolio, you guys seen I I'm going to get assigned on Rigetti, which is going to take up $1,200 of the $1,500 cash I have. But on Monday, if it bounces up really fast, I can either just sell it for the profit and take the whole profit and walk away, right, with making money, because it's only when it goes market is green. If the market's green, then it should hit 1250 very easily, so I can sell it and walk away with all my money back. Actually, I'll sell it for a profit, or I can still cover call and get premium on it and keep it. It's just going to have the account. I can't talk English right now. The account will have less cash. I've been speaking Chinese all week. I forgot how to speak English sometimes. But the account will have less cash, like $300 cash in it only. And I can use that $300 and buy more Misty since it is below the cost average. But if I get a chance to sell Rigetti and walk away with the profit, then I'll put that whole $1,500 into Misty, because that's going to boost our monthly income and get us closer to the $1,000, because selling options with the small amount of cash I have, the premium, it's good to have extra money coming in, but it won't be as much money as what Misty pays in dividends. And since Misty is below the cost average now, I can deploy that cash that I had sitting around on the side waiting. So that's probably the plan. It's probably double down, put more money into Misty and increase our position there. And we'll try to get closer to 200 shares maybe. But it's not going to be enough, but 1,500, it might get us maybe 50 shares, something like that. I'm guessing, I don't know, around 50 shares, 40 something shares, if I can get the whole 1,500 into Misty. So an extra 50 shares, if it pays us $2, that's an extra $100 a month. That'll put us over $300 a month in our, towards our, working on our goal towards $1,000 per month. So that'd be a nice little boost to the portfolio. And as you all know, every month I add a little bit of money to this, but not much. Usually just money a little bit of money that I earn from this YouTube channel, which is usually between like $100 and $300, depending on, how much I make. So however much I get, I'll put it into here, and we'll put it into Misty and keep growing. And that's the plan for now. And thanks for watching. Anything you guys want me to talk about or something like that, let me know in the comments below, because I can make other videos than just give you these recaps. I can make other stuff if y'all want me to make it. I might start putting out some videos on Wednesdays. Like I know I usually do them on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Usually Saturday is my regular account recap. Sunday is the Roth recap, and Monday is the small account recap. And then on Wednesday, I can make another type of video if you guys want to hear videos about investing tips or just my thoughts on certain things or whatever. I can do that for you guys if you guys want to see it. If you want to see it, let me know. I'll make it, but I don't want to make it if you don't want to watch it. So let me know that below what you want to see, and I'll try to get that out to you guys on maybe on a Wednesday. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.